Before anything starts, it's important to understand the type of hearing taking place. This is not a standard trial, but a probation revocation hearing, where the rules operate differently. The judge is not determining guilt from the beginning, but deciding if a defendant violated the court's trust. Once that trust is broken, the situation can quickly become more serious and lead to harsher consequences.
Good morning. Are you Renacia Segura? Yes. And Ms. Holmes, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
When the defense waives a formal reading, they're essentially acknowledging they already know the allegations. It helps move the process along more quickly, but it also hints at a key strategy shift, suggesting the focus may be on minimizing consequences rather than disputing the claims.
Ms. Segura, in clause number 231869, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation July 29th of 2024 for the offense of theft of property with previous convictions, and that was...
Here's the key point. She avoided prison initially because her sentence was placed on probation, giving her a chance to remain free under strict conditions. If that probation is revoked now, the judge has the authority to enforce the original prison sentence immediately without delay.
A 2-year term in prison that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the offense of theft in aggregate amount January 29th, 2025 in Harris County, Texas. And is that true or not true? Count 2 alleges that you failed to avoid persons or places of disreputable or harmful character, and that you were at a location, you were arrested at a place where a crime had been committed with individuals who had previously been convicted of crimes. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to count?
This is where the risk increases for the defense. If the defendant admits the violation, known as pleading true, the judge no longer needs evidence. The focus shifts completely to punishment and consequences, since the admission confirms the violations were made freely, voluntarily, and are accepted as true.
1 and 2 freely and voluntarily, and because they're actually true. Give me a minute here.
Judge, I'd reviewed some of the Harris County offense material. She was essentially an accomplice while other people were committing theft in this instance.
I'm going to real quick look back at the pre-sentence report to see that all the criminal, how many we've got.
A lot.
Pay close attention to the judge's tone in this moment. When a judge stops to review a pre-sentence report in criminal history, it's usually not a positive sign. It shows the court is looking beyond a single incident and considering a consistent pattern of repeated offenses rather than an isolated mistake.
Say it.
Oh, yeah, no. I'm not accepting this. My notes, I sent you to ISF already. And my note says it was a cap of 15 months at that time. And I wrote on here that you deserved the whole 15 months. And it's like Mr. Lewis was your attorney at that time. And he and Ms. Holmes are both doing quite the job for you. But 8 months with 7 felony convictions for theft, 5 more arrests, plus this one, and now you've been arrested again, is not something I'm going to accept. Absolutely nothing less than the 15 months that was the cap in the first place. So it's either something like that, or it's an MTRP. I don't have to, y'all go talk about it. I'm deleting the paperwork. All right, go back with the bailiff. If y'all come up with something today, then that's fine. If not, we'll, but I deleted it. You'll need to redo something.
Let's say I told you so. I didn't know. So I have a note on my file that I argued for the full 15.
Well, then I don't. Then why? Then throw it back in my face.
Well, I didn't on this one.
Well, it deserved it though.
They gave her like 30 days time served.
But that's Harris County. They give 30 days time served on aggravated robberies.
They do like.
I mean,
they do 45.
That doesn't count. That's not.
They do 45.
Absolutely. When there's something like that, no way. Okay, Jalen White,